Okay, I'm just going to mark Mai Chi's IELTS Task 1 process diagram. Okay, this was one where I just gave you student choice. You could write about a process, whatever it was. You don't need, well, for this example, you didn't need the process visual. I just want you to create the visual and let me create the visual in my head. Okay, so it's more about structure. Process diagrams are quite nice because it starts at the beginning and you have an end. And it's just how you group each one of those body paragraphs. Often you can have 3 body paragraphs, that's fine. But yeah, it's more the thinking that I'm looking at here. Okay, the diagram outlines a sequence of steps involved in figuring out a math problem. Very nice. Which consists of 3 main stages, beginning with comprehensive understanding, calculation, and ends with verification. Okay, but that's really good. That's a very, very nice intro. First, before doing any actual math, making plans is a must. I like that. Very nice. Initially, solvers must read the question several times to clearly understand the problem and to avoid omitting information. Very good. Good vocabulary, good grammar, or making mistakes during the process. Then they will have to find out what needs to be calculated before choosing the right formula to use. You have to use or to apply. Very good. After fully understanding the assignment, solvers will now move on to the calculation part, which involves putting the numbers into the chosen formula from the previous stage. This stage's goal is to work carefully, preventing mistakes and finding a final answer. Excellent. Finally, to make sure the answer is correct, solvers have to read it thoroughly from the beginning. There is also a common way to double check, which is to put the answer back into the start of the problem to see if it still matches. If the answer is wrong, they'll have to redo the process after. Okay, this is excellent. I mean, yeah, this is really good. Task achievement. This is at a point where I'm trying to figure out why not to give you a 9. I'm trying to, it's an 8. I'm trying to figure out it's a 9. I'm trying to find reasons why not to. When your essay is a 5, I'm trying to figure out reasons to give you a 6. I don't know if that makes sense. Because I'm trying to figure out if you're missing anything, if you've done anything wrong. This is all perfect. I'm gonna give you an 8. Cohesion, coherence, 8. Yeah, I'm gonna give you an 8. I'm only giving you these scores because, I want you to keep motivated. You can get a 9. This is an 8. This could be a 9. An assessor on the day could give this a 9. So perhaps there's just, you've given good vocabulary here, omitting, I think you use the word formula, understanding the assignment, calculation part. Yeah, this could be a 9. And another assessor could give you a 9 on the day. Okay, I'm giving you an 8 here, but it's a secret 9. Well done, Mai Chi. Keep it up.